Aloha! Welcome to Turtle Flow Yoga. I'm Stephanie. Today I will be showing you how to meditate with mala beads to bust negative thoughts. So please keep watching. Today I will be showing you how to meditate with mala beads. So mala beads, this is called mala beads. It's made of 108 beads plus the guru bead, totaling of 109. So it's used for meditations and affirmation, using affirmation or mantras to help you count. So when you are doing, I just did a video on Ho'oponopono, and one of the suggestions that I made was do 108 repetition of it. And the best way to do that is by using mala beads. And nowadays, these are worn as a necklace, as you saw in my intro. So it could be as a fashion. It could be used more like a fashion statement. But there is a purpose to it. So the mala beads can be made of gemstones, various crystal stones, if you want to connect with certain energies. And some of them are made of rudraksha seeds, and those also have healing properties. And the best way to work with it is to put your mala bead, starting with the guru bead. A lot of times there's a tassel at the end, and just hang it in your middle finger, and you're going to use a thumb. So every time you repeat an affirmation, you just turn one and another one and another one. So you start to slide one by one until you get to the end. And if you want to do a double session, then you go the opposite way. And if you just want to do half, then you can just start at the halfway point and then just work your way towards the guru bead. But that's probably not the traditional way to do it, but do what works for you, what resonates with you, as always. And the significance of 108 repetition is that 108 is a sacred number in numerology. It adds up to 9. So 9 is a number of completion, and it's the universal oneness that 108 represents in yoga. And a lot of the traditional texts, there are 108 lines or verses in the VEDAS, and there are 54 letters dedicated to Shiva and the SHAKTI, also making it up 108. But I'm not going to get too much into the history of it, but just know that that's the magic number for enlightenment and just completion, connecting to that oneness. And you can use the Ho'oponopono to do this. You can also do any mantras. You can do it with Om. You can also practice affirmations in English, and also such as I am love, I am peace, or whatever word that you want to, energy that you want to connect with. You can also do a Sanskrit mantras, and one of them, the most powerful one for removing obstacle, is the Ganesh mantra, and it's called Om GANAPATAYE NAMAHA. So you would say Om GANAPATAYE NAMAHA, turn one bead, Om GANAPATAYE NAMAHA, turn one bead. And you can do it out loud, or you can do it silently in your head or as a whisper. And The benefit of doing this is that it keeps your mind occupied. So if you're having a hard time just doing a seated meditation in silence, and it's hard to keep your mind still, then this is the best meditation technique to do, is the repetition of mantras or affirmation. And it's better to stick with one if you're doing a seated meditation, and keep doing the same one every day for at least 30 days. And traditionally, when you're working with like a the Ganesh mantras, you would do it when you're starting a new project, new business, when you move into a new home, or if you have just a lot of obstacles in your way and you just want to remove obstacles. So those are the times to do that. And there are various Sanskrit mantras for different occasions, such as abundance. You can do Lakshmi mantras. And again, you can just do an English affirmation. I am peace, I am love. And when you do it, you want to make sure that you do it with a lot of devotion and love. And when you repeat these words, the mala beads also, hold that energy. So the more you do it, the more it'll support you and amplify the energies of those affirmations. So that's why it's another reason to just stick with one and repeat over and over. And traditionally, the mala beads are it's considered a sacred object. So you would just leave it at your altar and use it when you're meditating. But nowadays, a lot of people just wear it, so maybe you can just have if you want to honor that tradition, maybe just have one at your altar or just at a sacred space that you can place in your home and just use it to meditate, or just keep it in your purse in a very nice pocket, nice pouch. And then you can maybe have another one just to wear as a fashionable, and some of them also comes in bracelet form. So just try it out, and this is the best way to combat negative thoughts that run in your head. And these negative thoughts are what governs your unconscious, subconscious states, which govern most of the behaviors and patterns that we keep doing that we don't want to do consciously. So just try it out, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if this information was helpful to you, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And I'm wishing you a wonderful day, wonderful evening, whenever you're watching. And let's all help each other raise our vibrations and keep positivity. And tomorrow's new moon, so this is another great practice to enhance your new moon intentions. So you can also share what your new moon intention is below. It's our first new moon of the year in Aquarius. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will be doing more videos with guided meditations, and looking forward to meeting you here in our next video. Have a wonderful day, wonderful evening. Go within and find your inner sparkle. Namaste.